Hi guys, in this tutorial I want to answer to all the comments that's been asked too many times, what that search tab is and how to open it. It's a FX Console free plugin for After Effects and you can install it on Windows and Mac as well. To get this plugin, go to Video Copilot's official website, check this video's description, I will leave a link there. So this is the plugin that I use and most of the editors do. It's really must-have plugin and it really saves your time just a little bit. Scroll down here to download this plugin. You can download it for Windows or a Mac, depends what do you use. Once it's downloaded, double-click on that installation and simply install it on your PC or Mac. To open that console, press Ctrl+Space to open it. And now simply type any effect you want to apply on your video. And that's it. If you edit too much and you are a full-time editor, this plugin is really lifesaver. But also let me show you a cool thing it can do for you. If you click on that camera icon, it will take a screenshot from your video easy and very quick. Now let's go to settings and I will show you my favorite feature it has. Here you will see a favorites column and here you can add some of your most used effects, or I mean the effect that you use too much while editing videos. And whenever you will type first two letters of the effect, that effect will pop out at the very top of the effects. Let me show you how to add an effect here. Simply click here on empty space where new plus is and then add any effect you want to be in favorites. For example, I will add a deep glow. Now click on deep glow and it will be added. I already have that effect on my favorites list, so let me show you now how fast it finds your favorite effect. Press Ctrl+Space and let's write first two letters of a deep glow effect. As you see, it already found it. There are also other effects that name starts with D letter, but FX Console showed me my favorite one at first. And it will always show first your favorites effects that you will add from the settings. Let's jump to settings again and let me show you another cool things. You can change UI color of FX Console and you will have two options, dark and light. Also you can change a shortcut of a console. By default it's Ctrl+Space, but you can choose one you will be comfortable with, or you can also make your custom shortcut from here. Here you can also change a screenshot save location, in my case it's desktop, and that's it. I think this is the most needed and must-have plugin that will decrease your editing time just a little bit. You will agree that looking for some effects from here can take a bit longer, so why not to use FX Console plugin when we have it for free? Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and like the video please.